Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic skills. The sounds of English come together to form words, and words are combined to form meaningful sentences that convey a complete thought by making statements, asking questions, expressing wonder, joy, sadness, or disgust. However, language is also used to perform several communicative functions. Thus, we use language to ask for directions, make a request, apologize, or congratulate someone. Proficiency in performing these language functions in English is a very important part of learning to speak the language fluently. So, today I am going to explain the communication skill that is congratulating someone. Here is one of the example of a dialogue. In this dialogue, there are two persons, Dr. Nirudas and Satish. Here, Satish's essay on conservation of natural resources wins the first prize in an international competition organized by the UNESCO, and his thesis supervisor Dr. Neeru Das congratulates Satish on his achievement. So, I am going to read the dialogue between these two persons. Dr. Neeru Das: Satish, I just heard the wonderful news. Congratulations on your remarkable achievements. Satish: Thank you very much, Dr. Das. It is all because of the encouragement and help that I have always got from you. Dr. Neeru Das: Not entirely. It's a result of your own hard work and perseverance. Satish, you really deserve this honor. Everyone in the department is really proud of you, and I'm sure you will keep up the good work. Satish: Thank you, ma'am. It's very kind of you. In this way, here is one of the communication skill, that is congratulating, and here is one of the example explained by me. Thank you very much.